I don't know if this is clear, but it should be clear. So I want to be in this trade right now. I have 255 to flip into 1000, and this is on you. The pair I'm looking at right now is EURJPY. I'm risking the whole 225. I'm looking for a buy. We are on 4-hour time frame. I'm waiting for this candle to close. It's remaining like I don't know if this is visible. I don't know if you can see remaining 1 hour before it closes. Then I'll be in this trade. I'm not doing all these 1 to 10 risk to reward. I'm just doing simple. I'm just targeting this high. I'm just targeting this high here for the first TP. So I'll put this. That's so annoying. So this is what I'm targeting. Reset these. My stop loss should just be below here. 1.4. Turn it to 500. Then the next is to get it to 1000. Another one I was looking at is USD CAD. USD CAD, if you look at USD CAD, if you go on 4 hour on daily time frame, look at days. You see, a couple of days now, it broke above this, above the EMA, came back and has been rejecting this EMA. Came back and been rejecting this EMA. Now, if it closes green, bullish, then I should be looking to enter something like this and target this high for 1 is to 2.3. Well, I took a loss on this USD CAD yesterday. I took 312 loss on this USD CAD, so I feel kind of iffy about taking this USD CAD. I don't feel good about taking USD CAD right now, so that's why I'm looking at this EURJPY. And the funny thing is that my initial plan was to take this USD. See, I was waiting for this to play out, and I was impatient. I didn't wait long enough. Then I entered the USD CAD and took a loss. And after I took that loss, before I even took the loss, this EURJPY pumped and hit my TP. So that's what comes with being a professional forex trader. By the way, I'm a Nigerian, in case you don't know. My accent should have said it already. This is what I'm having for lunch: fish and rice and cauliflower. Put this cauliflower here and some eggs. Back again, baby. So if you're wondering what I'm trading with SNES. This is a trading platform. I feel like it's kind of easy trading with their trading platform instead of NT5 and NT4. Now let me tell you why it's easy. You don't loss size calculation. You don't need to be doing all this loss size calculation. Or if you want to place a buy or sell, just go over here and click buy. Let me show you. So once you click buy, this line comes out. This buy line comes out. So they will tell you now you have to place your stop loss. To place your stop loss, you just have to click this here, because the stop loss will come out. Then you drag it and put it here, wherever you want your stop loss to be. Then the same thing for take profit. You drag the take profit zone and put it here. Then once you do it, you can come over here. Then you can see how much you're actually losing. Now where I put my stop loss, now I'm losing 76 yuan, 76 if I should lose. So what I have to do right now is to go to the loss size area and increase it until it's become the amount I want to lose. Okay, now it's 200 and something that I want to lose. Then I can place buy. So you don't need all these extra bullshit for lot size calculation. For lot size calculation. So it will also tell you the amount you make when you make money. So with the loss at 0.6, 0.5 that I choose now, I will be losing 192, and I should make 250 something. That's crazy. At the end of the day, I expect this to go way higher because there's still a lot of space above for it to go. You still have to like, this is where my take profit is, but I think it can still get all the way to this place, all the way to this high, 175. I don't know, but for me, I will target just this high. Let's go. I think I should be in this trade right now. Now, see, I want to enter the trade now. We confirm buy. Now it's open. Then let's go to the open trade. Open trade now is open. I'm in on this trade. Buy Euro JPY. I'm in on this baby. So good thing about it, you can come over here and choose to click this TP and SL. Once you click this TP and SL, it will show on the screen how much you actually lose again. I'm getting 255. I will lose 195. Some people won't take this trade, but I will take it. I think it's high probability. So the thing about this is I won't actually interfere with this trade. It either hits my TP or stop loss. So I don't really care. So let's go. First now is on the lights. Okay. I want to show you guys something. By the way, this is the trade I was in. It's going okay. 60. I'm up 60. Euro JPY, I'm up 60. For now, I think it's a good trade. But this is what I want to say. This is 4 hours time frame on the broker, and this is also 4 hour time frame on trading view. But what you have to notice is on this trading view, the 4 hours, the time that is running is 2 hours here, but on the broker, time that's running is 1 hour here. There is 1 hour difference in the both in the broker and the trading view. The candle is also different. If you look over here, the candle is green here on the broker. On the trading view, the candle is also green, but what you have to notice is a new candle already formed here. But back in the broker, we are seeing the first candle. We are seeing the first candle. It's crazy. Different candles in broker and the trading view. But at the end of the day, it's actually going okay. Well, let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what's happening. 1 hour, 1 hour is okay. Let's go back to the trading view. To the 1 hour. 1 hour candle is matching on both the broker and the trading view, but on 4 hours it doesn't match. It's crazy. I will leave this until it hits TP though. Once it gets to this level, I don't know. But one thing about this trading, the USD card, I told you people that I took a loss. I took a loss on. It was on profit for a while, and I was considering closing it. I didn't. Then it took me out on loss. Same thing is happening in this UJPY. It's in profit now. Well, of course, I'm not gonna close it. It's just a little bit in profit. But what I was considering is putting it on break even. Should I? How are you feeling about putting it on break even? It will come back. It will take me out on break even, then go. But let me do it. Let me leave it on break even. Let's leave it on break even. I hope I'm not making a mistake. Sometimes when you put it on break even, it will take you out on this break even and go to your direction. Well, let's leave it on break even. Then we come back and see what will happen. So taking it on break even is just as easy as pushing this. You see what I'm doing? Just push it just below here. Then you see this box will come out. You see access to modify. Then you click modify. Nice and break even. Okay. The next clip will be either I'm out on break even or I'm out on take profit. But I have a feeling, I have a bad feeling about this. I feel like I shouldn't put some break even. I feel like it will come and take me out and then go in my direction. Now I'm up 62. Let's leave it on break even. Alright guys, let's come back later. So I'm back, boy. If you look, it's actually going very nicely. So I have a decision to make, to keep holding or to close. Why I was actually contemplating on closing because of this zone here. I don't know what it's doing in this zone. It's showing a little bit of struggle in this zone. It might pull back down from this zone to go into my entry. If you remember, I put this on break even. So one or two things will happen. It will either continue going up to hit the TP or to reverse and hit the break even. But I kind of have a feeling it will do something like this, pull back this zone here, right, before it continue bouncing up to the final TP. So let's see. Let's see. At this point, I might continue holding though. But I feel like this is actually a good trade to hold on to. I want to change the color of this. Let's change the color 1, 2, 3, 4. This, okay. So, guys, what do you think? How about I close it and wait for it to push back down to re-enter? Oh, this looks so good. If these 4 hours close bullish like this, then I should expect it. These 4 hours is about to close in how many minutes? It's 38 minutes, 29 minutes. I'm sorry. If it closes by this time, I think it should get to take profit. Let's close it and wait for it to. Man, I'm a little bit confused, man. How about we close it then wait for it to pull back down to go in? Okay, I close it. I want to know if it's to pull back down a little bit, like a pullback a little bit. I'm looking for something A2 here to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Where is this 2? I think it should be here. Yeah. What I'm actually looking for right now is something like this. Pull to this zone to get back to this EMA, then final push to the upside down. I might be wrong though, and it continue going to the take profit. I don't know. So let's find out. Let's wait. I just entered this trade right now. The trade is actually Euro CAD. The money is here in 300 for like you saw the other time. I actually took a trade. I closed this trade. I took this trade, Ethereum trade, but I had to jump out of the trade and break even because there was a lot of consolidation. Now I'm in EuroCAD. Target is just this high. Stop loss is below this low. So let's see how it goes. If it gets into my favor, this money should be approaching 500. Let's go. So guys, this is the trade I took. I took this trade and it's in profit already. We are running almost 67 in profit now, and it's already at the break-even level. Initially, when I took this trade, the entry was here, of course, but my stop loss was here. So as it broke this level, as this kind of broke this level and retested and start going up, I move my stop loss closer than other than that trade. Then when it started pumping, like it's pumping right now, I close one of the trades, which is this 30 here. So one is still running around, this final one is running around 69. So hopefully this could go to 500, and that's what I'm asking for. I want it to get to 500. So I'll be risking 100, because what I do, I risk 100 per trade. So I'll be risking 100 until it's 2000. Then from 2000 I start risking 200. Let's see how it goes, man. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I should actually take the profit. I probably should take the profit. These are the other trades that I've been looking to get into. This USD card is forming head and shoulders. See, momentum pushes above this level, it consolidated. But if you look at this consolidation, you see that this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. It broke out, it's coming back and retesting to go down. So this is one of the trade. Another trade I'm looking into is oil. SAGUSD silver. I'm sorry. SAGUSD has been going up. Then it cracked this trend line and it's coming back to retest zone. I might be in this trade, I might not be in this trade, I don't really know. But let's go back to the euro card that I am in right now. We hold euro card to TP. Let's hold euro card to TP. I think it's pumping really good. It's pumping very much. I just could take the profit. Let's take the profit, boy. Let's just take the profit. Today is Friday. Let's take the profit. Let's take it. Close. Okay. That's beautiful. So guys, this is the end of this week trade. If you go to my history, so why I took this 300 losses because of one thing. I took this 300 loss because I deposited 300 initially, 300 or something initially. Then my mindset that time was I want to flip that 300. I want to go all in at that 300. Then I lost the 300. Then I deposited 200. That I started with. Now it's around 400 or something. So I changed my mind and going out in, and I decided to like risking 100 per trade for now until I get to 1000. So this is the first trade I took that I lost, but these are the other trades that I've taken this week. They are pretty much okay trades, nothing serious. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. We continue next week.